Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guides. Today we're heading to DreLoco Taco located in Traverse City. Let's head in and grab a bite to eat. DreLoco Taco has a nice layout with a Coca-Cola freestyle machine that lets you customize your drink flavor. We love the casual dining approach and there's plenty of seating for everybody. We love the design of the restaurant because these garage doors open up, which allow you to have open air seating in the summer. We can't wait to try it. We love the wood accents in the restaurant, and we also love their sophisticated yet simple menu. You could customize any taco you'd like. They also had a little amigo menu, which is very important to us as a family. The staff there was super helpful, took the time to explain the menu, and went above and beyond. Again, we grabbed this to go, so you're not going to see us eating in the restaurant, but we'll see how it is. DreLoco Taco is located right off Munson Avenue into Campus Plaza. It's easy to navigate even with the constructions. Don't hesitate to go. Once we got home, we laid out our entire spread and we got over 6 tacos, 2 massive bags of chips, and we also got homemade guacamole, salsa, and refried beans. We watched them fry those tortilla chips from scratch, and we couldn't recommend them enough. These tacos were loaded. There was plenty of toppings. The cilantro was a great touch. The lime on the side and also the pickled onions were great. Here's also a shot of the little amigo meal. There was plenty of cheese inside that quesadilla. The refried beans tasted fresh and they were a great addition to our meal. The tacos were rather large, so we were able to split them and enjoy them between 2 people. Our daughter Natalie really enjoyed her meal. The quesadilla was cooked perfectly. We would highly recommend coming to DreLoco Taco. The ingredients were fresh, everything tasted from scratch, and this was definitely a premium product. The staff was very helpful and accommodating, and we would highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide, and until next time, I'm Justin.